Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce does it again, winning back-to-back 100 meters races and breaking meet records in both after she clocked 10.83 seconds with wind speed of -0.1 meters per second competing at the Meet de Madrid. Just 2 days ago, she ran her first 100 meters of the season in Lucerne, Switzerland. Also breaking that meet record, Fraser-Pryce, who had run 10.82 seconds on Thursday in Lucerne. Despite not getting her usual fast start in Madrid, she caught the field early and ran away to win easily ahead of Spain's Yael Sakura Bestu, who was just ahead of Jamaican Shasali Forbes. Fraser-Pryce broke the meeting record 10.92 seconds set in 2013 by American Barbara Pierre. The Jamaican sprint legend is returning from the injury that delayed the start of her season. She made her season debut earlier this month when finishing second over 200 meters at the Jamaican Championships in 22.26. However, despite her late start, her performances so far have been outstanding.